Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about a word phrase that you could use in front of your clients in regards to financial planning and any type of sales. It could be final expense, it could be group term, it could be individual term, it could be basic foundation type planning instead of estate planning or financial planning. But the word phrase is lack of knowledge. So let me give you an example, and I'm going to use it to the highest dramatic degree that I possibly know. And it's actually an actual client that I saw last week. My wife is in the business, so her and I went to it. And it was a professor. So the professor and his wife were sitting at the kitchen table. The good thing about this couple is that they were already wanting to know about the information that they need. So right away, I pointed out, in a very discreet way, actually, not indiscreet, but very discreetly, I pointed out that this gentleman is a professor. So I asked him, "Sir, what's your title at your job today?" He says, "Professor." So that's how discreetly I pointed that out to him. I said, "Okay, great. So understanding basic financial planning or advanced financial planning is very difficult, as a lack of knowledge can deteriorate your financial planning or not allow for you to have the proper retirement. A lack of knowledge. You should use those words when you see your clients. It could be as simple as a Spanish final expense, English final expense, so as high as a judge. Let me tell you something. When you're in front of these people and you use this phrase, you use phrases, okay, to let them know that not necessarily that you're superior, but that you are a superior in your type of field. And this way, this separates them from you. So a judge, a marshal, a whatever you want to call it, a CEO, a fireman, a sheriff. In the way that I look at it is they're here to serve me. And now I'm in their home and I'm here to serve them. So what you do is when you use those type of phrases, as that one that I gave you, just one as an example, is you're letting them know that you're separating yourself from them and to respect you in that area, so that this way they would be open to your challenges. Now, I say that discreetly because when I challenge, for example, this professor on a question, it's discreetful, okay? So when you're doing this as an agent, as a professional financial advisor, whatever it is that you want to be, a final expense professional, you want to be discreetful in everything you do. You don't want to make them feel dumb. You just want to make them understand that you are the professional. This is Decanon Financial Insurance Agency with training for today on a word phrase such as lack of knowledge. Very, very simple sales strategies that you could use. 888-604-6620. Check us out on our website, www.decanonassociates.com. Call us up. Get recruited. Get appointed. Get a high commission. Use your talent, or accept a lower commission to make more money than what you're making with your high commission, because you'll be a partner with us. You'll be right there, hip to hip. You'll be number 3 or number 10 on our cellular, so that this way you could call us. If we're in the movies and you're you're seeing a client, you call us. You're a A1 priority. Okay, you want to make $100,000 a year. You want to remain making $40,000 a year. Now, if you're making $100,000 a year, you should be making $200,000 a year. And same, it goes on. Let's move up with levels, guys. But thank you for listening. Have a great day.